Okay, here we are again. I've prepared and filed down the two main parts of the spare wheel holder as on the Skoda 706 in original condition, and now I'm going to adapt them to the thickness of the spare tire. The spare wheel is formed by two 12mm diameter washers, which I have glued together with glue and glaze, which I will then paint black. And I'll even add like a wee round thing here at the back, like the wheel disc, because of course in this case this lorry here has disc wheels, so the tire is fitted on a disc wheel. This lorry here, which has the flatter wheels, of course this is just a normal model lorry plastic wheel, but we could even think that this is just a rim and a tire because it's the Trilex version, let's say. No, I've seen some of these lorries here upgraded with small Trilex wheels, which would be rather something if I found them. I tell you, if I found them, I would go for upgrading. I mean, as much as I generally like to keep things stock, but I've got plenty of other things to do. Let's not complicate our lives. Okay, very well. Right, pardon me, I'm going to just get this done. So now we're going to just glue these together and let them set. I made the filling with the main body with four small clippings. I trimmed four old clippings of trimmings of 0.75 styrene. So we're recycling trimmings that came from cutting when I made the rail car. When I made the scratch built rail car. So I'm popping that on there. I'm just popping that on. I hope you can see what I'm doing because I'm working in a very unfavorable position with my very primitive tripod just on the table. Okay, that's that. Right, now we'll just stick some glue on here, using Tamiya cement, of course. Give it a good wet. The Tamiya cement's nearly finished, so it's difficult to use the brush, but we're managing. Okay. That's not wanting to paste on this one here. Anyway, I'm going to put a little bit I'll file it down at the end, flat, and then I'll put a piece of 0.30mm styrene here just to give it a nice flush finish. I think I'm going to be having to use an old paintbrush soon here. Okay, quickly on, it's wet. Let's get that on. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's pressed on there a bit. I'm pressing it in position using a pair of pliers. I'd say it's nice and straight, it's okay, it's not bad. quite okay. That's nice. So that's that ready. And the wheel, the spare wheel, will fit nicely in there like that. You see? That'll be the spare wheel. But first we'll have to let this set. Righto. Next job, filing this down.